Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to manage the WordPress update setting using the Ultimate Security plugin. Keeping your WordPress core, plugins, and themes up to date is one of the easiest ways to keep your site safe. Ultimate Security's update management settings let you control how updates are performed. Before we start, make sure you have Ultimate Security installed and active on your site. We are starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard. The dashboard provides quick insights into your site's overall security, protection, and key insights. To reach the update settings, we open the Settings menu at the top, hover over Site Hardening, then click Update Manager. This brings us to the Update Management page, which controls automatic updates for WordPress core, your plugins, and your themes. First, look at the General Settings section. You will see a drop-down menu. This controls your main WordPress core updates. Clicking this gives you a few options. We will choose Allow Minor Auto Updates. This is a good choice because it allows WordPress to automatically fix small security issues without you needing to do anything, while still letting you manually approve larger, more major updates to make sure everything on your site works correctly. Next is the Plugin Update Behavior, with the 3 options. We will set this to Manual Updates. This gives you full control. It ensures that plugins on your site don't update automatically and accidentally break your site. Down below, we have the Theme Update Behavior. The settings have the same 3 options. We're leaving it set to Manual Updates, so you can review the changes before applying them to your live site. Below these, you'll find 3 more important settings. First, Disable Automatic Translation Updates. This prevents WordPress from automatically updating language and translation files. Second, Enable Updates for VCS installations. This option is useful for developers who manage their site with version control systems. Finally, Updates Nags only for admin. It ensures that update notifications only appear for administrator accounts. We are turning this on. You can enable the other 2 settings based on your preference. Scrolling down, we reach Auto Update Schedule. This feature is available in Ultimate Security Pro. Next is the Email Notifications setting. You will see a toggle to enable email notification. We turn it on, and new options appear. This allows you to receive daily email alerts. First, select the email address that should receive the notifications. Below that, choose the notification types you want. We have 3 options. We've selected all 3 so you're informed when updates are available, completed successfully, or fail. The Select All and Remove All buttons let you control every option at once. To make sure these emails are working, click the Send Test button. You will see Processing. Now let's open up our email inbox, and we can see the test email from Ultimate Security confirming everything is set up correctly. If you do not see it, check your spam folder. Remember that email notifications only work when your site has SMTP configured. Let's continue with the default WordPress core email notification. This setting is handled by WordPress itself. We've turned it on to get the core update emails. If you don't want to receive the email, you can disable it. Scrolling further, we reach Advanced Options. The Force Automatic Updates option includes a Force Update button. Clicking it will immediately trigger an automatic update for all your plugins, themes, and WordPress core. This is especially useful when you need to apply critical updates right away. Just remember to use it carefully, as it updates everything at once. With everything configured, we scroll back up and click Save Changes. A notification appears, confirming that all settings have been saved successfully. You have now successfully configured your update settings to keep your WordPress site more secure while maintaining control over your plugins and themes. Properly managing your updates is a key part of website maintenance and helps keep your site running smoothly. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security guides. We will see you in the next video.